Let's start the program. Japanese Trader Radio Part.029. Today is 5th October 2025, Sunday by Gift and Craft. 1. FX 1. Surveillance 1. Market movement 1. This week's bid price. Euro dollar Monday 1.170 1.172 Tuesday 1.173 1.175 Wednesday 1.173 1.175 Thursday 1.173 1.175 Friday 1.172 1.174 and now 1.174 Pound dollar Monday 1.340 1.344 Tuesday 1.343 1.345 Wednesday 1.344 1.347 Thursday 1.347 1.350 Friday 1.344 1.3646 and now 1.348 Dollar Yen Monday 149.5 48.5 Tuesday 48.6 48.0 Wednesday 47.8 47.1 Thursday 47.0 47.0 Friday 47.2 47.4 and now 47.5 1112 Next week's market outlook on this week's chart. Euro dollar and pound dollar, they have risen above the main meaning average on the 4-hour chart. Dollar yen, the same situation applies, but I believe the background is different. It may experience a self-sustained rebound after the recent sharp drop. 112 Economic Indicators 1121 This week's economic indicators. October 1st, Wednesday, 23, the US ISM Manufacturing PMI. The actual is 49.1. Third, Friday, 2130, the U.S. unemployment rate and the U.S. non-farm payrolls announcement postponed due to U.S. government agency shutdown. Third Friday, 23, the U.S. ISM Services PMI. The actual is 50. It was significantly lower than expected. 1122 Next week's economic indicators. They are highly likely that the announcement will be postponed due to the U.S. government agency shutdown. 113 This week's news and events. Republicans considering domestic cuts to staff amid U.S. government shutdown. It was somewhat factored but considered insufficient. On October 4th, Sanae Takaichi was elected president of the Liberal Democratic Party. 114 Next week's FX trading strategy and tactics. Due to a combination of the fundamental factor of the postponement of U.S. economic indicators and technical factors, it is judged to be a buying opportunity for the euro. However, it is important to note that the dollar could surge if the U.S. government shutdown is resolved. More. This Monday morning, the dollar may strengthen due to the weaker yen caused by the election of governors Sanae Takaichi, but I believe the dollar will weaken during European trading hours. 2. Stock 21 Surveillance 211 会社指揮法 Surveillance Dice Brand 1 9357 Meiko Shipping This industry Transport This business and product Major shipping company based in Nagoya port. So I think kata is value. Market capitalization is 66 billion yen. Sales is 81 billion yen. Cash equivalent is 25 billion yen. Achievement PL high price 9.3. Low price 6.9. Full-year sales growth rate is minus 1.0%. Operating profit margin is 7.7%. ROE is 4.5%. ROA is 3.5%. Equity ratio is 81.2%. Debt with interest is 5 billion yen. Stock chart shows uptrend, riding the recent rise in Japanese stocks. In conclusion, it was attractive, but I was late in buying it. Dice Brand 2, 9600, iNet Corporation. This industry, data center, the edge is highly promising. This business and product, cloud data center, the edge is system development grew in finance, space, and defense. So I think Kata is growth. Market capitalization is 28 billion yen. Sales is 39 billion yen. Cash equivalent is 5 billion yen. Achievements PER, high price 17.3, low price 10.6. 4-year sales growth rate is plus 30.9%. Operating profit margin is 6.8%. ROE is 11.5%. ROA is 6.1%. Equity ratio is 53.0%. Debt with interest is 9 billion yen. Stock chart shows it rose to 2,530 yen, then sharply fell and is now adjusting near the moving average. In conclusion, it is a sector with high future potential and can be considered reasonably priced. 212 Holding Brand Surveillance, 998 for SoftBank Group, 19,040, 18,685, 18,240, 19,295, 19,980. It has reached a new high, 9227 microwave chemical, 647, 720, 759, 677, 706. On September 29, Mitsui and Company and Microwave Chemical announced that they have completed the world's first pilot machine for lithium refining technology using microwaves and have begun demonstration experiments. 22 Inspection Holding 9227 Microwave Chemical. The price increase was extremely large for this stock, so I considered buying it back after locking in my profits, but I didn't. I believe that partnering with a trading company neither than a manufacturer will have a positive impact on profits. I want to make sure I don't make any rash moves. On October 2nd, unfortunately, it fell more than 10% due to profit taking. Wiping cut the gains from the previous positive news. 2-3 Order Buying 6762 TDK repurchases the stock as it is a policy-related stock that Sanae Takaishi, the newly elected president of the Liberal Democratic Party, in focusing on addressing safety issues with lithium-ion batteries and working to develop ceramic full-surface batteries. Operating profits are growing. The chart shows a bullish candle at the horizontal line of the most recent high, indicating a breakthrough. Anticipating a sudden rise at the start of the week, I made a purchase reservation over the weekend. 3-1 The concept of subtraction. There was a scene in Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba, that left a strong impression on me. In the early stages of training, our most learn many things, and this is difficult. However, as training progresses, one adopts the concept of subtraction, removing everything that is not necessary for battle. This idea applies to my current trading. 3. Factors behind the rise in Japanese stocks. It might be because foreigners are buying large cap stocks. If that is the case, goodbye small and mid cap stocks. It's risky. Thank you for listening. Bye.